clean. Method number 2, using a pump, sprayer and brush. Purchase a pump, sprayer, professional cleaning solution and brush. Mix the cleaning solution and spray to the coil. Brush the coils, rinsing the brush often. Reattach the evaporator coil, access panel and seal with heavy tape. Method number 3, cleaning with mild detergent and water. Mix warm water and dishwashing detergent in a spray bottle. Spray the water detergent solution onto the evaporator coil. Wipe away loose material with a soft cloth or brush. Method number 4, spraying with commercial cleaners. Purchase a commercial cleaner for cleaning evaporator coils. Spray the cleaner directly onto the coil. Pour 0.95 L of the bleach water solution into the drain pan. Pour water down the condensate drain tube. Reapply the cleaner.